Thank you for joining me on this video. My name is Rodney Constable. I am the president of Simple Market Signals at simplemarketsignals.com. Today we are going to be doing technical analysis on the S&P 500 for Wednesday, February 26th, 2020. And we will be using my stockcharts.com charting service, which I am a paid member of, and I will leave a link to their site in the description box below this video. What we're looking at here is a 2-day, 1-minute chart in the S&P 500. Each candlestick represents 1 minute of trading in the S&P 500. And so first off, let's start in the upper left-hand corner of the chart, and that is yesterday, so it would be Tuesday morning, and you can see that we sold off all day yesterday and then closed towards the end, towards the lows of the session yesterday, which that's not good. Today we opened up. Now, you know, this blue dotted line would be where we closed yesterday, right? So anything above that is positive. So you can see here for the first part of the day, we had a positive return in the S&P 500, and then shortly after 1:30 we went negative, and then traded pretty much negative the rest of the afternoon and closed at right at the lows, not at the absolute low, but towards the lows of the session again today. One of the things, and the reason I wanted to start here, but one of the main points of today's video lesson, guys, is that this is a telltale sign of a very negative market when you open strong and close weak. So, you know, please don't get sucked into this type of thing, and I would just be careful here. This is a dangerous market. You know, you guys have to make up your own mind how you want to trade and invest, but when you open strong and close weak, that is a telltale sign of a very weak market. Now we're going to shift gears and go to the 1-year, 1-day chart. So this is a 1-year time span. Each candlestick represents 1 day of trading in the S&P 500. And so you can see here is today's trading. And, you know, for part of the day, you can see the wick on this candle, if you will, got clear up to about 3180. If you see where my cursor is moving, and then we closed beneath yesterday's low again. So we made it about halfway. You know, yesterday's trading, this was yesterday's trading, right? A really long candle, and we made it about halfway up on yesterday's trading, where we reversed about half of yesterday's negative move, and then we, you know, closed at the lows of the session. So again, the reason I'm dwelling on this is that is another very negative pattern. So here's that 3100, 3120 level I've been talking about. And again, we closed today at 3116.39. You can see that right there. We were negative just about 0.4 of a percent. So 38/100ths of 1% is all we were negative for the day. So at least the rate of descent, the degradation, is starting to slow down, and sometimes that is the beginning of the end. So maybe this 3100 to 3120 level is going to provide enough support to where we can start to bottom here, but I wouldn't yet get too excited about that. Again, this is a very dangerous market. What I can tell you is that Simple Market Signals subscribers will be notified when it is safest to go back in the markets, and access to that information is less than $20 per month. And to learn more about Simple Market Signals, you will want to watch the video that will be introduced at the end of this video. Now, if this 3100 level does not hold, then, you know, we're probably going to go down and hit this, at least the 200-day moving average, if not fall somewhere down into this 3000 to 3020 level on the S&P 500, and you can see that there's quite a bit of support going back to the middle of the summer of 2019 at that level. So hopefully it doesn't get any worse than that. I had somebody text me late last night and ask me, you know, if we fell beneath this 3000 level, where would the next support levels be? And, you know, there's a lot of support around this 2750 level back in here. So you can kind of see we tested this level back in June, tested it in March. So, you know, if, and hopefully we don't see this, but if this, you know, 3000 to 3020 level does not hold, then the next thick area of support is going to be somewhere around 2750 on the S&P 500. But for now, at least the rate of decline has lessened. We were only down 38/100ths of 1% for the day, and so far this 3100 level is holding up. So let's keep our fingers crossed that that holds. But again, I would be very careful. This is a dangerous market. and further downside is definitely possible. If you would like to learn how simple market signals can help you become a more successful investor, trader, or financial advisor, you will want to watch the video introducing simple market signals, which is on my YouTube channel. I will also leave a link to that video in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up on this video, leave a comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.